Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here we have example 6.2 given in page number 101 of chapter 6, how forces affect motion. The question is, a person is exerting a force on a moving object, that is a box, in the forward direction, which is equal to the force of friction acting between the bottom surface of the box and the floor. Will the box continue to rest after some time? So here the question can be understood in this way. A person is there which is exerting a force on a moving box. So if I consider this is a ground floor, here the box is kept on this ground floor. This is acting as a box for us. Now which is a force of is getting applied in this direction. Let it be towards right, that is the F1 force. Here it is left, here it is right. Now which is equal to the force of friction. So we can see that the box is in ground surface contact. So ground surface contact is there, so definitely force of friction is there. The F2 is a force of friction, and this force of friction is always in the opposite direction to the actual force, the muscular force which is being applied by the person on it. This is your actual force F1. F2 is the force of friction that is acting on the box because of the ground floor surface, that is from right towards left. Now they are saying that and this force is equal. The condition is that in this question, condition is given that F1, that is the actual force, is equal to the force of friction. This is the condition which is given. Now they are saying that will the box will move or it will be at rest. Will the box will move or will the box will be at rest? So we have to tell about it. So it is all about the condition that if this both the forces magnitude value are equal, however the direction is opposite, so they will cancel out each other effect. So it is considered to be a balance force. This balance force is acting on the object. So it shows that the object will not move, or we can say the object or the box will be at rest. And this is what given in the Newton first law of motion, that a body or an object will be at rest, or an object will be in motion, and it continues to be in motion until and unless some external force acts upon the object. That is what which is given. And an object at rest, it means that it has zero velocity, so it is not moving actually. So even this one, we can just see that force of friction will be acting on the box in the backward direction that we have shown, and the two forces on the box are equal, and equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. So they balance out each other effect, and the overall net force on the box is zero. We can just have an example, like if I consider F1 as 10 Newton, and this force of friction is also as 10 Newton. So if I want to find out the total force, it is addition of both the forces F1 and F2. F1 is given as 10 Newton and F2 is also 10 Newton, but actually it is in opposite direction, so I have to take as minus 10 Newton. So it is 0 Newton. So net force which is acting on the box is 0 Newton. So the box or the object will be at rest. That is what we see here. And this is based on the Newton first law of motion. I hope you have understood about it.